Hey guys, today will be about the sun. So here, Diva Mangay ay Diva in Beyblade activate. So press like and don't forget to subscribe. And best na comment directly about notification or YouTube. So enjoy. Hey guys, today will be about this one. Today what is meaning watch power? That's for the Beyblade because Diva Mangay ay Diva. This one, wait, I show. This one, this is watch power for the Beyblade. Its meaning here, this is the clock time and this one. Time again we repeat. This is clock and this one time trial and limited. This will be unlimited this one and this one clock. Before power up. This is time trial clock and this one clock. What before we develop on what is feel the watch power is meaning that's for the big lake. Because someone other videos are wearing watch. Because viewing of Beyblades are powerful. And this one, the strongest power it will have was for the Beyblade. We have watch power. I picture this one. Yeah, that's the one before we leave a Bangay argument. Okay, before we leave a Bangay argument, it's fair watch power. That's for the Beyblade. Okay, so today nagduwa. Ang sibili with Diva Bangay argument. Okay, season way.